Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal. We just drove 5 hours to get to one of the top-rated haunted houses in Tennessee, and we're going to take you through with us for their New Year's Nightmare event to find out if it was worth it. So Dread Hollow is named after kind of the town of Dread Hollow. That's their theme. Oh, what we got going on back here?
He's getting festive.
He's getting festive? We saw some guy dressed up as Santa. What's he doing back here?
I'm not real sure.
Oh, he's coming around the corner.
He's festive AF.
Yep, festive AF. Oh, it's snowing.
That's what he meant. Yeah.
Snowing in here.
I wonder where they got that.
I
I don't know, it's adorable.
Little snowman.
He's so cute.
I want one now.
I want to pet it. Should we boop it?
Absolutely, boop it.
Boop.
Yep.
I had to boop it.
What'd you boot?
The snowman.
Boop the snowman.
His name is Gus.
Gus? He's adorable. He doesn't bite.
He'll be all right.
Does he bite?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's where the blood came from. I think he bites too. Don't let him lie.
He definitely bites.
He's on the naughty list himself.
Mm-hmm.
Versus normal show, what was the difference in length? This is not their full show though, right?
From what he was explaining now, it sounded like you're seeing half of it.
Wow, that's crazy. Because I remember last year he said it was about half. And there's a lot to see here.
So Dread Hollow does do time ticketing, so make sure you show up close to your reserved time slot. And after you get checked in here, they've got some signs. You can kind of see what the haunt's about. Dread Hollow is the name of the town that the haunt takes place in. So when you come in here for haunt season, this whole town area right here is normally the queue line. This is where you wait, and they've got all these shops like monsters come out and jump out at you and stuff. Like it kind of even feels like you're in the haunt before you even get into the haunt. But since we're here in December, hence their New Year's Nightmare, you still see a few remnants of kind of the Christmas feel a little bit, and they actually turn things around, so this area is actually going to be the exit now. So yes, for those of you that don't know, we also do reviews and ratings of haunted houses across the country and around the world. We've got a team in the UK now. So Vince from Team Skulleton Crew, he's here with us tonight, and they came through during haunt season and rated him one of the highest rated haunts in Tennessee. So that's what you guys came here for. You want to see what the fuss is about, why come out here to Dread Hollow, why drive 5 hours to get here. So without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Oh my.
Hello, yes, come inside.
Hello?
Oh
my goodness.
Welcome to the North Pole.
The North Pole?
This is
Dang.
the North Pole, it's not the South.
Oh.
Don't listen to them.
Okay,
Oh.
I won't listen.
Yes. Like I told them, my name is Silent Night.
Oh, I like that.
I'm in charge of toy decorating at the Elf Factory. I need help.
Oh,
Awesome.
we can do that.
We need raises.
We need raises.
Oh,
Yeah, don't we all?
At the Elf Toy Factory? Here, come in close. Come on, guys. I have lead poisoning from the rubber duck game.
Did she say lead poisoning?
That's
I'm
good.
not crazy.
That's good.
Okay, you believe me, right? Yes.
Yeah.
So here, I'm gonna show you some of my work.
Oh.
I
Who
like
wants a
it.
Christmas present?
Dude.
Up the side of the head.
Here, take it. Here.
Oh my.
Give it a test ride.
Give it a test ride.
I'm showing you the quality
Does it
of my
work?
work.
Yeah.
I'm not your best
go.
rider of.
Do it! Yes! It's good, right? Shh, the lead poisoning, it's good for you.
It's good.
Oh, it's
It's,
good for you.
Skin nice,
it's
right? Look at
exfoliating.
me.
Yeah, it's exfoliating.
That's true.
Someone's peering out and just
Okay, make sure you
crazily laughing. I don't know. I don't think we should trust this
So,
camera.
I have, they say we're crazy. Again, it's not the lead poisoning. We're not crazy, we're just very enthusiastic about the holidays.
Yeah.
If you want to experience more of that holiday cheer, you gotta follow my friend number 35.
Oh, number 35?
Yeah, that's my friend. It's the only person I like.
Oh.
Does anyone know how to play piano?
We can try.
You push the white things, right?
Yeah. Like that, or like this, listen.
Oh, jingle all the way.
That's a nice song, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is. It's got some bass.
That's
Happy
right.
holiday!
Is that what
Yeah,
we're doing?
yeah.
We're celebrating Christmas? Celebrating.
Alright, we're going to New Year's Nightmare at Dread Hollow.
Oh my God. I already hear growling.
You're not walking that way.
Oh, we gotta do that.
Oh, we gotta
I don't know. if I
get
can
jiggy
go
with it
that way.
here.
We got it.
Oh, we're marching. Okay.
I guess.
Hi, thanks for playing along, you guys. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
All right, welcome to the Rosemore Sanatorium. You guys are just in time for the Christmas party. Do you like all the decorations we put up?
Yeah, they're beautiful.
It's very festive. Late and $1 short, but I like all the lights. Although if you ask me, it's pretty questionable because we're in an insane asylum and I can't have shoelaces, but they put up string lights.
Yeah.
All right, so let me go ahead and ring the doorbell so that way they can come get you and you guys can take part in the party.
Yeah, we like parties.
I know, me too. Are you the kind of party favors that you
Who's that?
Uh-oh.
Who is that in there?
I don't know, but we're all like
Oh, hey, it's
backing
Karen.
up.
Karen?
Karen, where's your Christmas dress? Karen, you said we would be twins.
Uh-oh.
You lied.
She don't look like she's doing too hot.
She's not like this is what she honestly gets for not twinning with me today.
Okay,
Oh.
okay.
Karen, you
Uh-oh.
can try to bust out all you
She's
want.
trying.
You can't have my dress. It's not my fault. I'm the one that thought about it. Yeah, go get it somewhere else.
Uh-oh.
I hear you act Christmas presents.
Oh God. No, we're not
on the
Christmas.
naughty list.
Well, that might be. You're dripping.
You're...
He's so good. Hey, you want to come see the rest of my presents?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Have fun.
I didn't know we were
Don't
gonna be
get next to
cousins.
calls.
Oh my.
You ever seen the elevator before? Why you look at me like
well,
I'm
yeah.
crazy?
I don't. Well,
What do the elevators do?
they go
They go
up and down.
Yeah.
No, silly, because that's an elevator. The elevators like elevators, but they want to go down.
Oh,
Take it
elevator.
straight downstairs and see that.
The doctor.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh my. I'm not sure if
I
that's
don't know. It's got 3 wolf heads.
the
Oh
best
God.
idea.
Oh my God. This is a big elevator. Yeah, you stay over there.
Oh, he'll get a little bit of everywhere.
What's your favorite part about the dark?
Nothing.
I like that you can do whatever you want. No one can see you do it.
Oh
Because I
no.
got on the naughty list this year.
Oh my. Oh my God. Oh my
Oh God.
God.
What happened?
Oh, we're here.
We're here. We made it. Oh
We
God.
are here.
Hey, I'll enjoy your stay. Some of my friends are saying hi.
Okay, we'll tell him that the
Hey, we
crazy
got
guy.
someone on the naughty list. Bye.
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 I don't know if I like this.
I don't like it.
God, the sound.
How we doing,
What is
sugar?
that?
Come here right quick.
Hey.
Let me ask you something. You the one that went out there and clogged up the porta potty?
No, sir.
Hang on.
How does?
It was this one, wasn't it?
No.
Hang on, let me get a quick sniff check.
Oh God. I think
Yeah.
you smell like the
It was
porta
this
potty.
one right here. Here, take some of this back. There you go.
Thank you. Wow.
Honey, what's your name?
Lindsay.
Oh God.
Lindsay. You know, I got a stocking with your name on it. Come here real
Oh God.
quick.
Oh my. How does one clog a porta pot?
Look, I told
Oh,
you I got a
God.
stocking
Dinner.
with your name on it,
Oh
right?
yeah.
Right.
There you go. Right there. That's for you, honey. Here, just for playing along. Go ahead and reach in there.
It's probably
It's a little
dangerous.
squishy. Oh, yeah. Throw it at the wall.
There it is.
Come on,
Wall?
Oh my.
Oh my
I
God.
picked that one fresh out the porta potty for y'all because I knew you'd come.
Oh God.
Hey, come here. You want the Christmas spirit imparted upon you? Come over here and look into my daughter's eyes. Those big, beautiful eyes right there. Go ahead and grab on right quick. We're going to sing her a quick Christmas
I ain't
carol.
grabbing on to nothing.
Now the jingle has begun. Grab on to the fence. Go ahead. Jingle bell time and jingle bell time. Here, I got a microphone. Let's sing. And across the air. What a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time. You're in hell time.
Oh.
To go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, big horse, pick up your feet. Come on, we got places to be. Come on now, honey. Remember, you're going to take 2 lefts and a right. When you hit the reindeer, you're going too far.
2 lefts and a right.
The reindeer then.
Oh my. Oh my.
Oh, I'm showing you their tongue.
Follow me, I promise. There's much grace in here.
Say,
Christmas they're celebrating. I
there's
promise.
definitely a lot of crazies.
Vince, you got a friend behind you. Oh gosh.
What's back there?
There's somebody
Oh
following
God, it
us.
came out, Lindsay.
Oh yeah. He did come out.
I don't like it. Oh.
y'all. Let me see hands. Let me see hands. Oh, too small, too small. Now let the next one go.
Okay. That sounds good. Oh.
Children!
Oh, God.
Are you ready to open your presents?
Sure.
Mother can't wait to show you what I got you.
Oh.
This one!
How'd you know what to get me?
We're going to hydrotherapy.
Hydrotherapy?
Let's do the spa treatment.
Oh.
Now, Brenda's in charge. Aren't you, Brenda?
Hi, Brenda.
Is that what happens when you get the spa treatment? Oh my.
Isn't it wonderful? Your skin's going to come right off. It's
Oh
a
my.
wonderful holiday.
It is? It is?
Lots of presents.
Yes, all the presents.
Oh, but we are not presents.
The Puppet Master's in there.
Puppet Master.
Puppet Master.
Oh, that sounds
Oh my. Okay.
Okay.
the alarm. Oh my.
They didn't make it. Oh God. Okay.
Oh, come play with me.
No.
No, thank you.
You smell like poop.
No, thank you. Please go away.
Oh, no,
Oh, Lindsay doesn't like your face. It's scary.
No, I do not.
Oh.
I swear to God, stay in there.
Oh God. Look out, Vince. Look out.
No.
Is it candy for Christmas? I love candy. I want to eat all the candy. If you get candy, make
Well,
sure you eat it.
well, I guess.
No presents. No presents.
I don't belong in here. Look. I'm a doctor. What kind of Christmas is this if you leave me here?
I don't believe you're a doctor.
I am a big doctor. I've been good this year.
Oh God. No.
I really am a doctor. They gave me this for Christmas so that I can finally get out of here.
Oh.
This is my Christmas present.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No, it's
Oh,
not.
Nora.
Oh, no.
Shocking.
You don't want to get in there, bro. No. Put that doctor here. It's Christmas Day. Wake up.
Oh my. He's not waking
Just
up.
wake up.
Try shocking him again.
Something back there. My goodness.
Oh my God. I know.
Hey,
God.
I twinkle twinkle and I touch your toes. What you doing in a la? Hey, what you got for Christmas? I got a basketball and a bicycle and then some dice and some playing cards and a buzzsaw and some teeth. Oh my God, can I have some of your teeth? Oh my God. Okay, you guys have a fun rest of your night.
Oh God. That was a good double tap.
Oh man.
What is that? What the hell is that? You shush it. Oh my God. Oh, creepy. Oh, nice.
All right.
It's like whispering. That is. Oh.
All right.
All right.
Lindsay, I don't like it.
Oh man. That was alive.
What is that real?
Oh God.
Oh my
Shadow
God.
figure.
Not only is it real, it sounds creepy as heck. Oh my God, what is that? What the hell? Oh my God, it's furry. No. It grabbed me.
Oh God.
It grabbed my leg.
Oh God.
Oh my God. Now it's smelling mighty fine. Oh Jesus.
You're interrupting my standing now.
Oh well, I'm sorry. Oh God. We're
Are
just
you
trying.
here for the Henderson burial?
Yeah.
Yes. We're here to help.
Henderson's. Yup.
Well, then why aren't you at the burial site?
We got to go get more dirt.
We got.
You dirt. I gotta get more dirt. You have any idea?
We got to get the right. It's not the right kind of dirt.
Dirt. Every last one of you to the burial site. Quickly now.
Okay. All right. We're
trying-
going. Oh Lordy.
I'm Holly Jolly, but you can call me Jolly Holly.
Okay.
Okay, Jolly.
Are you having a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta, before you go to the Hendersons, you gotta meet my friends.
Okay.
Oh.
This one's Aunt Sylvia.
Okay.
Do you like her casket?
It's
Yeah,
a nice
it's pretty.
one.
Okay, wait, you did miss him. This is Aunt Salamandress.
Salamandress.
Oh, salamandress.
She didn't use oil of Olay enough, so
Oh.
she looks that way.
Yeah.
But this is my great aunt. I forgot somebody important. This is Dracula.
Dracula.
That's his wife. She's not as good as him, so hers is a little uglier. But kiss my heart.
Oh.
No, I want you to really kiss it.
Oh.
I mean, kiss it. Don't you want to kiss it? This is very serious.
Okay.
This guy, he's not the Henderson funeral, but he just died a few minutes ago. And wait. I'm telling him about this guy because you just killed, no, he didn't kill him.
She's telling us where the dirt is.
No, he said that, remember Stefan? You said I could put him in a coffin casket thing? Right? Cacophony. Okay.
Cacophony.
Stefan.
He looks pretty.
Stefan with
Hi,
the
Stefan.
PH.
He's
We're getting
pretty
dirt
fresh.
on Stefan. Yeah.
He's super fresh.
Hi, Stefan.
Oh.
Why does he look real?
He does look awful fresh.
Just remember, last Christmas I gave you my heart and then you threw it away.
Oh, no, he didn't. No.
Did. I had to get another one.
Oh, no.
Well, you'll
Merry
have.
Christmas anyway.
You'll have that.
Yeah.
Oh my.
What is this? Courthouse.
Okay, so now we're back
Something
in the.
Hello, my friends.
Hello.
The time is gone.
The time for what? Jesus Christ on a stick. Literally.
I have been waiting eternity for you, my friends.
Oh, God. I don't know if I like this guy.
Just keep hanging in there, buddy.
I will follow you to the end of
Oh,
time.
Jesus. Nice. We should know that. Oh, my. See?
Oh my! Again.
Yeah.
Oh,
Why do I do this every time?
every time. That
Uh-oh.
is cool, right there.
Nice, don't you?
Time has treated you well.
A lot of the Tennessee haunts put those signs out. It's cool. Cross promotion.
Oh, God.
TikTok.
TikTok.
TikTok?
TikTok. We're on TikTok.
We've got everyone. We're on TikTok. Dread Hollow, constabulary. I don't know what that word.
Oh God! Sliding. Oh my.
Bringing candy, that's how this works.
Shoot, no.
Yeah, so for Christmas it's the opposite. I worked hard all year, now I get candy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're going to.
Offerings for Christmas. You have too much candy. You have too
No, not at all.
There you go.
We do have candy.
They got candy! You better leave some for Krampus. He loves offerings. You better leave it on.
Oh.
He will put you in your sack.
It's actually good stuff.
I gotta tell him I'm not a kid.
That's what he does.
I'm not a kid.
Whoa.
I don't have any candy. Vince, do you have candy? No, I do.
Somebody's in that one.
Vince, do you have candy? If not, we're screwed. He's good. Sweet. Uh-oh. That's a... Ah!
Oh. They're sneaky.
Which way?
Oh my. All right, well that was Dread Hollow here for their New Year's Nightmare. I
Oh,
just
that was
clocked
fun.
it at about 17 minutes.
17 minutes?
All right, so was it worth the 5-hour trip down here? What did you guys think?
I thought it was a lot of fun, and the actors were interactive.
They were super energetic right now. It would definitely be worth a drive like that during the haunt season when the full show's going on. And we got Vince here with us. He only had to drive an hour and a half. He's our Atlanta team. Vince, what'd you think?
I thought it was great and definitely worth an hour and a half's drive.
We come down here every year for the New Year's Nightmare event, so we're always happy to come see what's new. And this is actually our first time going through that part of the haunt.
Yep.
You can go back through last year and see where we went through an entirely different section here for the New Year's event, and that was also very good. That chainsaw finale at the end of that video, make sure you go and watch it. And they are open here for spring break as well, so if you're down here in this area, definitely stop by and see them for that. I'm gonna link to Dread Hollow's past New Year's Nightmare event right here, and if you want to see another awesome haunt down here in South Central Tennessee, we had to sign a waiver for this one. I've got it linked for you right here. We'll see you in those videos. Until then, stay scary.